This box may be powered by Funko, but I'll tell you this right now. This channel is powered by PEZ collecting fans, and without any of you, I would not be here. Isn't that right, Donald? Sure is. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. See these four back here? Yeah, I like those a lot better than these four. Just saying. Just saying. Alright, so GameStop. Black Friday! Get your 2018 kit from Funko. $25. But wait! It's on sale because it's Black Friday, $20. Okay, I'm done with that too. So only $20, folks. You know the game we like to play. What's in the box? $20. $20. And then they charged me tax on it too. So because they charged me tax, and if you look, no nutritional labels. Yeah, there's no candy in here. So, make sure you buy your PEZ. Oh, wait a minute, that's old PEZ. And that's new PEZ. Same cards, though. Mega Man, you need to tell us what's going on here. Okay. Opening a box. We hear you. All right. Let's see what's in the box. Oh yeah, you try doing this with one hand, okay? Ooh. Sorry I pronounced that incorrectly. Frankenberry. Ha! No candy. These have candy. No candy. So Frankenberry, he definitely is a monster. But what did Frankenberry come with? Tom or Jerry? Let's see. Let's see. The plushie is a Jerry. So Jerry, you can hang out there. And my bag of glow-in-the-dark stars, as you can see, it's falling apart. They're all over the place in there. And then, oh, almost stuck myself with that one. Let's turn it around. Oh, it's a Goof Troop pin. A Goof Troop pin. Okay. Fair enough. And my pop that I received. Chippendales, Rescue Rangers, Monterey Jack. I didn't get the chase, though. If it is a chase, it'll usually have a sticker here that says chase on it. I didn't get the chase. But I got a bunch of glow-in-the-dark stars, too. Wow. God, this was on sale. Speaking of things on sale, these things, too, will soon be on sale for you to purchase so I can recoup my costs so that I may continue the PEZ book. And not only tell you about Mickey and Minnie is always in the way of Mickey and Minnie, but I can tell you about these four dispensers. I can show you the Fab Five. Very cool, very cool. I will tell you more about these later. And these things, oh yeah, soon to come. Many, many different variations. And we have more boxes to open. Not just these. So this special Black Friday, Frankenberry time. Now let's go overpay for some cereal. So until next time.